In the diagram, two lines are drawn. 3x plus 2y equal to 6 and x minus 4y equal to 16. The first line cuts the y-axis at A and the x-axis at B. The two lines intersect at C, as shown below. Good day, guys. I hope you are all doing so well. Welcome to our today's lesson on linear function. We're going to deal with some few questions from previous question papers. I hope you're going to enjoy the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel for more content. Remember, you can prescribe me to do any question of your choice by literally sending it on my email or on the comment section. I will just assist you in answering those questions. Keep them coming, those questions. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell. Click. Let us start. Yes. So guys, the first question, which is number A, number A, it says that number A, it says go to determine the coordinates of point A and point B. Now, we've got 2 points here, point A and point B. What the coordinates are here. Now, remember this line or this graph, its equation is equal to 3x plus 2y is equal to 6 here. So what are the coordinates? The coordinates are point A, which is point A and point B. Coordinates of point A and point B. Now let us start with point A. Now, point A, 3x plus 2y equal to 6, which means point A lies on this graph, 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Now, what is it? Remember, we have got our y-axis and our x-axis. Remember, if we have a point that touches the y-axis, its x-coordinate is equal to 0. Come on, the coordinates of A up to so far. Covering point A, it do to the y-axis line. This line it means its x-coordinate is equal to 0 and its y-coordinate is unknown. Like guys, I can tell y, but we have 0 because 0 x is 0. Therefore, how about y-coordinate? You have pointed on our y-axis. Let x be equal to 0 and find y from this equation. Common this y, this point A lies on or it touches the y-axis. Come on, someone. This point A rebeta in our y-intercept, which means this point A intercept at y-axis line. Hence, repeating this point y-intercept. Therefore, more than x is 0 y on this equation. X is 3 multiplied by 0 plus 2 times y equal to 6. Plus y 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2y equal to 6. 0 is nothing. Therefore, we are only left with 2y is equal to 6. Positive 2y is equal to, therefore, I'm left with 2y is equal to 6. I divide both sides by 2. And get what I about y. And then you can multiply. Therefore, you divide both sides by 2. Therefore, y out is 3. Come on, what the coordinates? You write the coordinates of point A. What are coordinates of point A? Coordinates of point A are x is 0, 0, y is positive 3. Therefore, get answer for y, answer for x. Now, come on, about the coordinates A little b. How shall B okay? How shall B? B how? It's a point that lies on the very same line. It lies on. Or we can say a graph. Which graph? This graph, 3x plus 2y equal to 6. This one. So now, since we know point B, it lies on that graph, you write the equation of that graph. What is the equation of that graph? Is 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Now point B, how sheba mo it touches x-axis line. Point it touching x-axis line ke re bitsa eng? Our x intercept ke point le re toucha our x-axis line. Come on, man. If we point it on our x-axis line, that point graph which is this graph, that point re bitsa our x-intercept, which means is a point that intercept with our x-axis line. This point B, our x-intercept. What are coordinates of point B? Coordinates of point B, if we want the x-intercept, we let y be. So coordinate ya y at this point is equals to 0. Have to be x, but y are gonna be y is 0. Therefore, we're gonna let y be equal to 0 on this equation about x. Come on, how about the x-intercept? You let y be 0. How about the y-intercept? You let x be 0. Very simple. So 3x plus 2 multiplied by 0 is equals to 6. Therefore, what like x? 2 times 0 is 0. 3x plus 0 is equals to 6. This 0 so this 0 therefore 3x is equals to 6. Therefore, since we multiply x, I divide both sides by 3. Therefore, x 6 divided by 3 is 2. Come on, what are coordinates of point B? What are coordinates of point B? Coordinates of point B are x is 2, y is 0. Therefore, these are coordinates of point A and point B. So coordinates of point A are 0 and 3. Coordinates of point B are 2 and 0. This is the first question. Number B. Number B, guys, determine the gradient of 3x plus 2y equal to 6. What about the gradient of this equation? Come on, what about the gradient of this line? Guys, how about the gradient of straight line? Remember the general formula, general formula equation, let me just say general formula of straight line. Y is equals to mx plus c ax plus q, whatever, that's one. I hear this, my man. How about the gradient? It means what about the value of x? M, which is our gradient from this equation. But from this equation, which value is next to x, or is the coefficient of x? But let me say y it be the subject of the fruit. Let me say this y, only 1, not 2y, but y, a positive, it be our subject of the formula. Which means let me simplify this equation. Y it's 2y, imparably y a positive, a1 on one side, only 1. Which means you must solve for y. Basically, solve for y. How are you going to solve for y? Solve for y. Long is y, whatever that does not have y, we take it to the other side. Between the two, which one does not consist of y? 3x and 2. Which means 3x and 2 6 and the easiest one, which is 3x and right. Which means this 3x, it comes to the right side. Then you're left with 2y is equals to 6 minus, and get positive minus. I change side over minus and get minus what? Minus 3x. Libo. Now, kibata y salary y. It's like monana and kibata y salary y mona. I get high salary y. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And you want to multiply more. Therefore, if you want to salary y, you divide both sides by 2. So that 2 is divided 2. How divide both sides by 2 more? y ya hao ke bokae o tlo re ankere since well now we can fa calculating ya hao ne ore ha ile 1 ka fatshe ka mona e simple o tlo re fela 6 divided by ha ile 1 fela you only say 6 divided by 2 ke bokae ke 3 ankere 3 minus ankere 3 divided by 2 ke 3 over 2x ankere 3 over 2x wa bo go tla tswa wena yo ngola ka tsela e so ka potla it will depend ka wena yo ngola jwang but ha re ngole ka tsela e tlwaelehileng tshwantse re qale ka gradient pele le x be re tla ka constant which is c ankere ha re itle ha re ngola so e tlo ba ntho tjena negative 3 over 2x plus 3 ankere equal to y. Therefore these two equations are the same ankere in terms of arrangement ya rona. Now m ya rona ke bokae ke value le re incapla x which is our gradient. Now between these two values or between these two terms, which one is our gradient? Ke value le re incapla x ke bokae ke negative 3 over 2. Therefore gradient ya rona gradient is equals to negative 3 over 2. How only x we're going to value which is negative 3 over 2, which is our that is the value of our gradient. Okay, so like guys, I hope you can see it. This is how you write the value of our gradient. Now the equation and the equation like y is equals to negative 3 over 2 x plus 3. Number C Barry, determine the gradient and y-intercept of x minus 4y equals 16. X minus 4y equal to 16. Now, there are two questions in one sentence. Ba go the gradient and y-intercept. Ha re batla gradient pele ankere. Ha re batla gradient ya graph ena pele. Now, how about the gradient? Ke itse wena. Gradient a straight line, its general formula ke y equal to mx plus c. Ba bang ke y equal to ax plus q. Any letters, as long as they are written in this form, they allow. It can be z here, it can be p here. It does not matter. Any letter you can think of. Ngaba a, ngaba b, ngaba z, ngaba p, ngaba, as long as these letters are arranged in this order. X kapla that letter, renal constant, renal y kan qala. It's not a problem. But x and y will always be present. Now, how about the gradient? The gradient of this equation ka graph ankere. Come on, man, this equation ke graph ke equation graph ena na ankere. Ga batla gradient of this graph ka equation. Now, your aim here is to make sure that your y is on one side, only one. Basically, you must make sure that the value of y is our subject of the formula in this case. That means y is only one, ka setting only one. How about the negative 4 plus y? How about y only one? Now, whatever is now y, we second car. It's now y, we take it to the other side. And then y, we play like setting only one. X in a y is an car. Negative 4y equal to 16 minus x. Now, y will be positive y on one side, only one. Therefore, I divide both sides by negative 4. One can multiply. So it will be negative 4 on both sides. Negative 4, negative 4. This negative 4 divided this negative 4, we left with y. Therefore, y get guy. How about y? If it is so, put it on a calculator. We'll go 16 divided by negative 4. What is 16 divided by negative 4? Okay, negative 4. Now, I get what's like an invisible 1 plus x. Come on, negative 1 divided by negative 4. Okay, negative 1 divided by negative 4. Negative divided by negative k, positive. Positive 1 over 4x. How about that's so you are still allowed. Therefore, y is equals to this one. 1 over 4 x minus 4. What is our gradient? Our gradient give value plus x. If our equation is written in this form, which one between 1 over 4 and negative 4 is our gradient? 1 over 4. This one. e kapela x angere. Then you are done with finding our gradient. The next question is and the y-intercept of x minus 4y. What is our y-intercept here? We must determine the y-intercept. Now, it's very simple about the y-intercept. How about the y-intercept? Y-intercept, you do what? Equation of y-intercept, couple. If we are to determine the y-intercept of this graph, how about the y-intercept? Generally, you let x be equal to 0. Mo ke bonang x teng on my equation ke kenya 0. Nka kenya mona, nka kenya mona, di a tshwana. Yes. Now, o mongwe wa lona nka re okay, ka hobane se ke tseba hore c ya rona ke y-intercept ya rona, therefore our y-intercept tlo ba tlo ba negative 4. Tlo nga fa tlo re ha hloka lo etsa equation next mo. Ka hobane if you understand what's in between mx plus c, one of you will say that okay, ka hobane tseba ke tseba hore c ya rona kapo our constant here, this value here, in this case which is negative 4, ke yona our y-intercept. O tlo go fela y is equal to negative 4. That's our y-intercept there. But okay, now I prove it ke yona indeed. Therefore, mo ke bonang x teng ke 0 on this equation, ke re na le y is equal to 1 over 4 x minus 4. Mo ke bonang x teng ke 0, ke batla y 1 over 4 multiplied by 0 minus 4. Just put it on a calculator, you get the answer there. How can you calculate it? You have negative 4. Therefore, y ya rona ke negative 4. This is our y-intercept. That's how we find the y-intercept. I hope you guys get it. I hope you guys get it. Ne? Yes. Now D, the last one, which is D. D area, determine the coordinates of C. Now guys, C, I'm sorry, imonana C. Now, the last question area, determine number D, determine the coordinates of C. Where is our C here? Where is our C? C is this point. Ke me lo reng graph ya rona ya 3x plus 2y equal to 6 le ya x minus 4y equal to 16 mo di kopanang teng. Ke me lo reng di kopana teng akere? Yes, ke mo lo reng di kopana teng. So mo di kopanang teng re bitsa point of intersection. Coordinate C ke C angere. Point C, that this point C is our point of intersection. And mo graph di kopanang teng, we equate the equations of those graphs. Ne, you equate the equations of those graphs. Kana equation of this graph type guy y is equals to 1 over 4 x minus 4. Okay? Yes. Now, ke me lo reng graph tse pedi tsena ke mo di kopanang teng. How about the coordinates C? Ke me lo reng these two graphs they intersect. Ke mo di kopanang teng, this point C, this one. Lebo. Ke me lo reng these two equations they meet. I just hope you guys can literally hear me. Ne? Y is equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 3. And y is equals to 1 over 4x minus 4. These are two equations. Now, you can write this one and this one. It's still not a problem. Any equation you batlang simplified, it's not a problem. Now, what do they mean? You must find the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two graphs. They mean you must use simultaneous equations, method of simultaneous equation to find the coordinates of that point. Simultaneous equation. Equation number 1, equation number 2. You all the time, point of intersection, point of intersection, over the coordinates of point of intersection, you use simultaneous equation. You did it in algebra. You must use it here. Determine the coordinate of point of intersection or any point but when now you want to graph they intersect. That point repeats a point of intersection, and for you to find the coordinates of that point of intersection, you ought to use the simultaneous method or equations to simplify out to find the coordinates of that point. Now, in this case, how one puts so on both of these equations, y on positive y to be exact on our first equation and on our second equation is our subject of the formula. Y on equation number 1, equation number 2 is on one side, this one and this one, they're the same in terms of the sign and their position. They're on the left, both of them. The sign that in the positive, the positive for 1, now, if you so, just equate equation number 1 and equation number 2. You equate the two equations if and only if we have one variable on one side on both equations. One same position, I hope you get it. Just equate equation number 1 and equation number 2. Come on, so you equate negative 3 over 2x plus 3 equal to 1 over 4x minus 4. It's our choice. Negative 3 over 2x plus 3 is equal to 1 over 4x minus 4. Solve for x. Solve for x in this case. Solve for x. Now, linear equation about x. That means x be 1 on one side. It be 1 for that. Now, group your like terms. Group your like terms. How do you group your like terms? This negative 3 over 2 x 1 over 4x. You group them on one side. I can take this 1 over 4 to the left. Negative 3 over 2 x 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 x. This is okay. Now I'm grouping like terms. That's one side. 3 to the negative 4 are constants. Come on, you must take this 3 to the right. Come on, 3 to 4. Keep constant. I didn't variables. Negative 4 minus 3. 3 now, if we have indeed like terms, highly minus simonana what the minus. How the minus here? On the calculator, fraction negative 3 over 2 minus 1 over 4. On the calculator, answer negative 7 over 4 x. Negative 7 over 4 x is equals to negative 4 minus 3 on the calculator minus 7. Now, x, solve for x. Also, it's a solve for x. How do you like x in monana? Fraction. I divide by that fraction, which is negative 7 over 4 on both sides. Negative 7 over 4. Therefore, this negative 7 over 4 divide this one, and you're left with x on one side. Therefore, x on the we're going negative 7. Again, this negative 7 divide by bracket negative 7 over 4. Then our answer is, on the calculator, it gives you 4. It must give you 4. You say negative 7 divided by negative 7 over 4. It's going to give you 4. A positive. We have found x. Now, we have y. And now, y. I say, y let x be equal to 4. Let x be equal to 4. On any of these two equations, let x be equal to 4. You can choose any equation of your choice, but just let x be equal to 4 and find y. I can use equation number 2 and get y is equals to 1 over 4. Let x be equal to 4. X bracket 4 and get minus 4. You put this on a calculator. You put that on your calculator. It gives you what, or you say 1 over 4 times 4 minus 4. Keep negative 3. Therefore, the coordinates of C are 4, which is for x, and y again -3. These are coordinates of point C. That's how you find coordinates of point C. How are you going to mark it in the examination? You're going to say that you equated the two equations. You have solved for x, you have solved for y, and you have written the coordinates of that point C. Thank you very much.